If you're starting a newsletter in 2026, you've probably heard about two platforms everywhere, Beehiiv and Kit. Both promise to help you grow, monetize, and manage your email list. But which one is actually better? In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of Beehiiv and Kit, show you where each platform shines, and explain why one of them is becoming the logical choice for most creators today. And if you want to try the platform I recommend, I'll leave a free trial link in the pinned comment below. What Beehiiv and Kit are built for first, it's important to understand who these platforms are designed for. Beehiiv was built specifically for newsletter creators. Think media-style newsletters like Morning Brew or niche newsletters that grow through content and referrals. Everything inside Beehiiv is optimized for audience growth and newsletter monetization. On the other hand, Kit was originally designed for creators selling products. So it's very strong in things like email automation, selling courses, building funnels, tagging subscribers. Both platforms are powerful, but they focus on slightly different goals. Beehiiv pros. Let's start with the advantages of Beehiiv. One of the biggest advantages is growth tools built directly into the platform. Beehiiv includes features like referral programs for subscribers, newsletter recommendations, built-in blog, plus SEO pages. This means your newsletter can actually grow organically, not just send emails. Another huge advantage is monetization. Beehiiv includes built-in ad network opportunities, boosts, which pay you when subscribers join other newsletters, so even smaller newsletters can start generating revenue. Another thing many creators love is the clean writing experience. Beehiiv feels more like writing a blog post than managing complicated email software. And the interface is very beginner-friendly. Beehiiv cons, but Beehiiv isn't perfect. A few downsides include, first, automation features are still more limited compared to traditional email marketing platforms. If you want very advanced email funnels or complex customer journeys, Beehiiv can feel a bit simpler. Second, because Beehiiv is newer, the integration ecosystem is smaller compared to older platforms. But the platform is evolving very quickly. Kit pros. Now let's talk about Kit. One of Kit's biggest strengths is automation. You can create very advanced workflows like sales funnels, course launches, product email sequences, tagging, and segmentation. This makes Kit excellent for creators selling digital products. Another advantage is maturity. Kit has been around for years, so it has a large integration ecosystem, many tutorials and community resources, very stable infrastructure. For creators running a full business around email marketing, these features are extremely valuable. Kit cons. But Kit also has a few disadvantages. First, it can feel more complicated for beginners. If your main goal is simply writing and growing a newsletter, the dashboard and automation setup can feel overwhelming. Another downside is pricing. Kit gets significantly more expensive as your subscriber list grows. And unlike Beehiiv, it doesn't focus heavily on built-in growth or monetization tools. So most of the time you have to bring your own traffic. Which platform is the logical choice? So which one should you actually choose? If your goal is selling digital products, building complex funnels, running advanced automations, then Kit is still a very solid option. But if your goal is growing a modern newsletter, building an audience, and eventually monetizing it like a media business, then Beehiiv is honestly becoming the logical choice for most creators today. It's simpler. It has built-in growth tools, and it's designed specifically for the new generation of newsletter creators. That's why so many creators are switching to it. If you want to test it yourself, you can actually try Beehiiv for free. I'll leave a free trial link in the pinned comment below so you can check it out and see if it fits your workflow. And if this video helped you understand the difference between Beehiiv and Kit, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content about growing newsletters and online businesses.